Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lucidchart for a floor plan. So log into your account on the Lucidchart canvas. What we are going to do is create new Lucidchart blank document, create document anyway. Alright, like that. Now here on the left you will see these tools which you have here. So select shape. It will open up this window with shapes, and now we can go here to the bottom where you see more shapes. So click on that plus button, and then what we are going to search for is floor plans, like so. As you can see now, this is what we need. So we have here walls, rooms, measurements, mix, floor plan, and so on. So make sure that everything is checked, and now use selected shapes. And now you will find here that we have now these floor shapes right over here. And now it's, as you can see, desk here, table, cabins, restroom, and so on. So now before drawing any lines, set your real world dimensions. So Lucidchart maps these proportions automatically. So you can drop the standard room or wall shape from the sidebar directly onto the Canva grid, or here you can change the scale you see here on this blank diagram. So let's find the walls. So let's say it's something like that. And now we can adjust the size of this room. So we can drag this green, as you can see here. We can change width and height of this square right here, like so. And yeah, this is basically it. Now we can add more thing. So we can add some desk here, or we can change into something like that. So yeah, we can really start making a floor plan here now and see how we want it. Yeah, and this is it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.